Hey everyone, in this video I want to go over how to get started with MongoDB. So we're gonna start from scratch, and it's a very basic tutorial for someone who don't have the experience with MongoDB. So basically, first go to MongoDB, and what we want to do is sign in. If you don't have an account, you can create for free here. So I'm going to use my Google account to sign in. This done. Okay, I'm going to delete everything so we can start from scratch. So I'm going to delete this, cannot be deleted because okay, so now we can start from scratch. First, you need to create an organization if you are setting up a new account, and then create a new project. So I'm going to recreate tutorial, then go ahead with the create project. Okay, now we're going to create the database. So here, for your test applications or small projects, this is more than enough. So MongoDB Atlas, the free is fine, and we're going to go with the AWS. I'm going to go with the West Coast, and then just here's the name of the cluster, and then I'm going to say just cluster 0, and then create. Okay, here you can set up either username and password. To Mongo is the username, and then you can generate a password, and then I'm going to create user, and then here you can add your IP address. You need to add your IP address, and then once it's done, and then what we want to do is we want to load sample data for this tutorial. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to browse the collections. So here is our sample data, and then here we have Airbnb, Netflix. So here Airbnb, and then sample analytics, and you can see the accounts. So here's the query you can search. Username, and here's like a sample Netflix, and then we can go through the movies. They're like over 2,000 documents. So if we want to search by the rated, G-rated movies, or depending on. So here come up with the general audience. Okay, what else? So you get the idea. This is how you can set up and load sample data for learning MongoDB. And sample restaurants. And we can search by cuisine. Okay. Mexican. So this is how you can search from the filter.